Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another part showcase today. We want to talk about the clear sewer bayonet fitting. It's 90-degree bayonet fitting. Main reason we want to talk about this though is the fact that it's clear, okay? Why do you care that it's clear? Now this sounds gross, but you want to see when all of your black tank material is through. So after you pull the valve, right, you're going to go in, you're going to use your tank flush wand, you're going to rinse that tank out. You need to see that there's no more solids, no more paper, no more dirty water coming out. Once you see clear water and only clear water, you know you're done cleaning out your black water tank. You can shut the valve then, pull the gray water, let that rush through and clean out the rest of the hose. But again, that's why a clear fitting is so important. And this one goes right down in the sewer, as you can see. This one actually connects to the ground. Again, it's the elbow to get you down in the ground, but clear is what you want so you can see if your tank is actually done draining and if you've cleaned it out once you're rinsing it out. If you need one of these, please go to our website, rvwholesalers.com/parts, or give us a call at 877-877-4494. Make sure you follow us on YouTube or on Facebook, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page.